That's just ice. That is just ice right there.
Barbecue area.
What do you have there?
Like sausage or burgers.
It's like sausage?
Wow.
I fucking love sausage!
Sometimes I have.
Well, as you can see, it's a rainy, wet mess out there. Had plans this weekend to go somewhere. We were gonna have some fun. It's not gonna work. So headed towards like some kind of store because there's not much to do. Oh, whoops, I accidentally hit the record button. Say hi.
Hey.
Well, it's finally livable out here. I need to turn this light off for a couple days. It was so cold and freezing. You couldn't actually get there, and especially because it's uphill, downhill. I'll just fall, eat shit. Not fun. Whew, almost just slipped and fell there.
Hand said hand and hand it back to this hand. Well, it's too late. Okay?